Keith Fitz joining us this morning. You say that AI is going to be a $1 trillion business by 2030, and you brought a couple of stocks to cash in. All right, let's start with Palantir.
Okay, well, Palantir is going to make data intelligent. And what this does, company, this Stuart, you can't just have data. This is where people go wrong. Palantir makes data talk to each other. You've got civilian, you've got military, you've got government contractors, all looking to do intelligent things with huge amounts of data that we've been accumulating for years, and legacy systems cannot be used effectively. So the ontology, the language models that all layer together are what help companies derive value in the supply chain, in the manufacturing chain. Pre-World War II, we had an American industrial base. Now we need to resurrect that at every facet, every level of our industry.
Everybody is talking about Palantir. Everybody. I mean,
I hope so.
Does it have any competition?
No, it does not at the present, because there is nobody else out there that builds this kind of integration, Stuart. There are lots of companies that deal with legacy software or companies that deal with a particular technology, but they are the only company out there that I've been able to find, and I look hard, that could bring all that together and give you useful output.
Okay, now you also think that Tesla is part of this AI $1 trillion business by 2030. Is Tesla an AI stock?
There's no question about it, and here's why. You're talking about not only vehicles, Stuart, but you're talking about robotics, you're talking about energy production, you're talking about trading, you're talking about finance, you're talking about the largest real-time decision-making database potentially in the world. And what Elon does and what Mr. Musk has done that is so different is he's made it all work together. People are very tempted to say, oh, that's just cars, or that's just robotics, that's just robo-taxis. It's not. The brilliance here is that it all links together, it all talks, and it all combines information. And again, in real time, the value to that $1 trillion is probably going to be low, but by 2040, that may be as high as $20 trillion.
Whoa. One possible negative. If the Fed does not lower interest rates this week, is the stock market in trouble?
You know, that's an interesting one. I don't worry about a lot, Stuart, but the thought occurred to me this weekend that he may go off script or he may stand pat. That's going to roil the markets for the short term, but longer term, that's still going to be an opportunity, because either Powell's going to be out or Powell's going to go to the woodshed. I don't know which it's going to be, but, you know, short-term vibration, we've still got so much long-term potential, growth, new president coming in, reformation on every level.
Your message is buy it. Keith, thanks for joining us this Monday morning. All good stuff. Thank you very much indeed.